Milky, what are you doing way up there? You already knocked half my stuff off the very top of my shelf. And now you're up there. Are you looking for more stuff to knock down? What are you doing? Girl? Do not open that. No. How in the... Oh my gosh. Girl, get out of there. You're not an electrician. Get out of there. This girl, she discovered the top shelf of my closet. Get up. Get down, girl. You can't be up there. You're gonna get hurt. Look at those big green eyes. Yellowish green eyes. I need to clean this closet. This girl's made it a mess. I'm not even gonna show you guys the floor. Everything's on the floor. I've got a keyboard box and headphone box, all kinds of stuff, shoes, things that she's knocked down off the shelf just because. That's what cats do. Alright, get out of my closet. Come on, time to go. Come on.